Hey guys, I want to show you how we do our string silencers. In bow class, little yarn silencers. Um, this is what a couple of them look like when they're applied. So the first thing I'm going to do is make a bundle of yarn to go in there. And so I normally just take it and wrap it around my fingers 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I leave a little tail in there that I'm going to use. Cut that off like that. So then I've got my bundle right there. I take the bow and measure down the string from right where the loop is, and we'll measure 9 inches for that. So 9 inches comes to right there, and just open that up a little bit so you can get that bundle in there like that. So I've got that opened up. I'm going to stick that bundle in there. Just like that. I'm going to step back and string this so I can finish it up. Okay. I'll just set it right in here so we can look at it while I'm working on it. So this little bundle, if you look at it, it's kind of spread out. So I'm going to just twist it up a little bit if I can. And then I'll take this little extra piece that I cut off and just wrap it around there and just tie it just a little bit extra for it. It seemed to stay in just fine. Okay, then I want to cut. I usually cut about 3/4 of an inch. You can make a bigger ball, smaller ball, but I'll do about like that. And then just flip it over and make one more cut. Let's try to keep them even. There you go. That's the other cut. Now I'm just going to take this out, and I'm just going to flick that string a few times to try to get that yarn to get all fuzzy looking. Like that. So there you go. That's the way we do them in bow class. It's pretty quick, pretty easy. Got one on both sides now. So that is the bow class yarn string silencer.